معكم حموده بامبي. مجهز لكم مغامرة أسطورية. I'm coming to you baby. بمناسبة عيد المئوي لشيفي تراكس. And I brought this legend to this legend.
So we're gonna make wash out of this truck.
تعالوا معي. السلام عليكم مرحبا. الأسطورة صارت عبارة عن قطع. So please can you tell me what's next from now?
There's a lot of hard work ahead of us, but this is where all the action happens. We have sparks, grinding, cutting, so we have to bring the glamour back in this life.
You know that I've been waiting for this part from day one.
Before we do anything, we need to pick out the leather for the interior.
Do we have to go to the shop?
We don't have to go anywhere. I brought all the samples here with us.
You got everything here?
Everything's here.
Let's do it, let's do it. You're invincible. You never get tired, no? Don't you?
You need help with the wheel?
No, I'm okay. It's a leather time.
How do you say
Leather, jild.
Jild?
Yeah, jild. You're gonna make jild inside, yeah?
Yeah, jild. We really need to pick the colors of the interior.
Do you want it to be light or just dark?
I want the colors to be neutral because I'm not gonna let the colors do the talking. I'm gonna let the design do the talking. There's a camel color that I really like. Let's scrap this one. Wow. So this one.
You have so many options.
Yeah, but we're also gonna do some gold stitching like this with the design. So it'll have a gold stitching with an Arabic flavor.
Beautiful pick. Where did you get your inspiration from?
A friend of mine dropped this book off to me. It's 100 years of Chevy truck, and it shows from first year to the last years of Chevy truck. So I've just been going over it, and it's really showing all kinds of cool stuff. The classic ones to the modern ones.
يعني تتخيلوا الموتر الجديد هذا داخل هاللونين. أقوى شيء. So we're gonna go back to work now again?
Yeah, it's time
work time?
It's time to get to work.
It's wrench time, baby. Wrench time, let's do this.
We need to grind, cut, and weld the different areas of the car that has some damage in it. Take, for instance, this. This is for the heater, the old style, but we're putting modern AC, so we'll close this hole, fix some of this damage, and then we have some more stuff over here that needs fixing. Right here. See, there's a big hole right here.
Ooh. So we need to cut all these stuff, huh?
Yeah, but I'm not afraid of that. There's something here that doesn't look right, so this is what we're gonna have a check first.
We need to. Ooh!
Yeah.
You can.
Crunchy. Put your gloves on. Let's get to work.
Let's do this, baby. Come on. طبعا نحن وقفنا الجرايندنج، ما ينفع ان نسوي هذا لان نغبر المكان، فما ينفع. فلازم شو نسوي الحين؟ نكسره.
Exactly. Yeah.
And
so I got a little prank set up for Bambi. Let's see how it goes down. Wait. Not here, not here.
all right.
Wait.
This is another part?
Yeah, but I didn't want to break that part. This part's okay, but here we need to save this.
Okay.
Wait, cut.
He wanted me to break this one, and I went there. Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. I could fix it, I guess.
Can we? Is it?
Huh?
Can we still film after that?
Yeah, just film it, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I can get another piece, or I'll make another piece. Well, I have to tell you something. I was just kidding. We were making a joke on you. So you didn't do anything. I don't care if you cut all this off. We can make anything here.
Okay. I see now. Okay. All right.
Obviously, this part is really rusty and there's a lot of damage on it. So what we'll end up doing is we'll cut cut this section out, taking this piece out, and we'll make a whole new piece, put it back in, and we'll weld it closed. All the rusty parts, we'll
We'll make new ones for them,
make new ones all out of sheet metal.
like with this machine.
With
right
this
here.
machine, yeah. This one cuts and bends and rolls metal.
ما اعرف كيف اشرح لكم ان هالماشين وايد اوكي وايد اوكي، ما اعرف شو اسمه بس انا اول مره اشوفه قدامي. مثل ما تشوفون تقدر تفصل اي قطعه على اي شكل في السياره.
This is where your muscles come in hand. See this handle here? We need to turn it. Go ahead.
I like that.
So now that we have our two bends, the sheet has a bend like this, so we need to bend it like that.
So we're gonna bend it with this machine.
Yeah, this one is a shrinker.
Basically بير تو قال لنا ان كل ما يحط الجهاز كل ما نضغط اكثر نحصل على الزاويه اكثر.
This is a part that we made. So we're gonna weld it to the truck. Let's just line it up here. Give me that clamp right there.
الحين اول مره بحياتي بلحم، اول مره بحياتي. بجرب الحين.
Hard longer. Hold the trigger longer.
That's too much fun. I like that. نحن حاليا في نص الشغل مثل ما تشوفون جراج ومتغبر من فوق لتحت، لازم الواحد لازم يشتغل عدلها تتعب. وانا الحين بصير اكمل الشغل مع بير لانه يترياني الحين. ترقبوا الجديد.